Okay, so let's get these clocks, these damaged clocks that we've got here, all broken. Let's get them off. Get them off. Right, first things first, down here, up under here. Now, I've already done this. You have a 5mm Allen nut that goes in there and goes through there. Okay, it just sits in and you undo that. And you undo the same on the other side. Okay, it's not lined up at the moment because there it is. And it goes through there. You undo those and then, as if by magic, it opens up. These little lugs here fit in these little bits here. That's what holds it on. That's it. And then, to get the clocks off, underneath the clocks you have one there, a one there, and one there. That is it. And the clocks unbolt and you unplug that. Clock's off.